Ciao beautiful people, I'm very excited today because I received the new Roccbox by Gozney and I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's open this baby up. I'm very not gentle with boxes. So it looks like we have two boxes here. This is the pizza oven box and this is the burner. First thing is the pizza peel, and it's an amazing pizza peel. It's very light, very smooth. You have a handle to take the pizza oven out of the box. That's amazing. It's a strap so you can remove it easily. And you know, when you want to transport your pizza oven, this is a very nice tool. So, I mean, it's a little heavy, but that screams quality. Has a beautiful color, it's a green olive color. So to set it up, it's pretty easy. There is foldable legs. And then we're gonna attach the burner. It's pretty easy. Just go in. And then click. Done. You flip it over and you're ready to make pizza. Now it's my favorite part, is to make actually a pizza, eat it and try this baby on. You can touch the oven because I have a safety jacket. There's a built-in thermometer that tells you the exact temperature. The stone is nice and thick, so it retains heat, so you're gonna have a perfect Neapolitan pizza. Gonna make a quick, easy margherita pizza. We're gonna stretch the dough. San Marzano sauce, one of my favorite sauce to use for a margherita pizza. We're gonna add some fior di latte, one of my favorite ingredients on a margherita pizza. Parmigiano and pecorino. You can adjust the stretching on the pizza peel, and now we'll go in the oven. There you go. Easy peasy, nice and easy. You can see that the far away crust, the one that's touching the flame, is already puffing up. So we're gonna flip the pizza and replace it so the other half can cook. There you go, there you have it. A margherita pizza in 60 seconds in the Roccbox, and slice it while it's still hot. See, the pizza stays, it's super hot, super fragrant. The dough has some beautiful hair pocket, which is wanna make you bite into it. The first thing is a crust for me. The dough is cooked beautifully. What can I say? I love my new oven.